Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Shailaja Yadav from Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, DY Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, Pune. Through this video, I will discuss about interfacing of LM35 temperature sensor with Atmega 328P microcontroller. First, we will see learning outcomes. After watching the video, you will be able to identify terminals of LM35 temperature sensor. Also identify analog input pins of Arduino board. Interfacing of LM35 with Atmega 328P microcontroller. And also how to write a Arduino sketch, or that means the Arduino program for interfacing of LM35 with Atmega 328P microcontroller. First we will see in detail about the temperature sensor LM35. This is the temperature sensor LM35. It has the total 3 terminals: pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3. Pin number 1 is the VCC pin, that means the supply voltage pin. Pin number 2 is called as the Vout pin, that means the output pin. And pin number 3 is called as the GND pin, that means it is a ground pin. This the temperature sensor has the temperature range from minus 55 degrees Celsius to 155 degrees Celsius. This the temperature sensor generates a electrical voltage which is proportional to temperature. This the temperature sensor has the sensitivity of 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. That means for every degree rise in temperature, the output voltage increases by the 10 millivolt. For example, if the sensed temperature is the 0 degree Celsius, this the LM35 gives the output voltage of the 0 volt. For the 1 degree Celsius, it gives the 10 millivolt output voltage, and this the output pin. Similarly, for the 45 degrees Celsius, it gives the output voltage 450 millivolt. Now, the interfacing of LM35 with Atmega 328P microcontroller. In this the diagram, this is the LM35 and this is the Arduino Uno board. This the Arduino Uno board consists microcontroller Atmega 328P. This the Arduino Uno board has total 14 digital input output pins from 0 to 13. Also, this the Arduino Uno board has total 6 analog input pins. These are the analog input pins from the A0 to A5. Now see how we connect the LM35 with this the Arduino Uno board. In this the connection, in first pin, that means the VCC pin of LM35 is connected to 5-volt pin of Arduino board. Then pin number 2, that is the output pin of LM35 is connected to A1, that is the analog input pin of Arduino board. Here you can select any one pin of analog input pins. That means you can select A0 or A2 or A3 or A4 or A5. Here we select analog input pin is the A1 for this the connection. Then the ground pin of LM35 is connected to GND pin of Arduino board. So with the help of this the 5-volt pin Then A1 pin and ground pin of Arduino board, we can connect LM35 temperature sensor properly with this the Arduino Uno board. Now pause the video and think about why we connect this the pin 2 output pin of LM35 to analog input pin of Arduino board, not to digital input pin of the Arduino board. Write your the answer on your the notebook. Think about this. The reason behind this that the temperature sensor LM35 generates the analog value at its the output pin. That means the temperature sensor gives us the output in the form of analog voltage. That's why we connect the output pin to A1 analog input pin of Arduino board in the interfacing diagram. The pin of Arduino board is used to receive analog values from the external peripheral devices. The digital input-output pins of Arduino board are used when we get the output in the form of digital, not in the form of analog. If we have the output in the form of analog, then we have to use the analog input-output pins from the A0 to A5. This is the schematic diagram for LM35 with the ATmega 328P interfacing. In this is the ATmega 328P microcontroller IC. This is the LM35 temperature sensor, which is connected to analog input pin of ATmega 328P. This part is the crystal oscillator part. The sense temperature by the LM35 we can display also on the LCD display, so that here we also interface the LCD display with the ATmega 328P microcontroller. Now algorithm which will help to write a Arduino program for interfacing of LM35. First we have to start, then include the liquid crystal.h library file for interfacing of LCD display. Then configure Arduino A1 analog input pin as an analog input to read LM35 sensor output. Declare variables for storing the temperature values. Then read LM35 sensor value and convert it in degree Celsius. Then display the values, that means that the converted degree Celsius values on the LCD display and end. Now with the help of the algorithm, we can write the Arduino sketch, that means the Arduino program for interfacing of LM35 with ATmega 328P microcontroller. Now we will see the actual interfacing program, that means the code for LM35 with ATmega 328P. This is the actual code. The first line indicates that we are including liquid crystal dot H file, library file. With the help of the liquid crystal LCD function, we set the interfacing pins of LCD with Arduino board. Here 8 is the register select pin, 9 is the enable pin, and pin number 10 to 13 are the data pins D4 to D7. This the float temp C is the variable which is used to store the temperature in degree Celsius. Then after, with the help of this the float Vout, which is a temporary variable, we can hold the sensor readings. As we know that for the Arduino sketch, it has the two parts, void setup and void loop. Void setup runs in a once time and void loop runs many times. Under the void setup, we declare or configure A1 pin as a input pin with the help of this the pin mode function. With the help of this the LCD.begin function, we initialize the 16:2 LCD display. Here 16 indicates it has the total 16 columns and 2 indicates it has the 2 rows. Under the void loop, first we read the analog values from this the A1 pin with the help of this the analog read function. Then after, with the help of this the Vout into 500/1023, we are getting the Celsius value from the 10-bit analog values that are stored in the Vout. Now that the degree Celsius values we will store as a temp C. Now set the cursor, LCD cursor at row 0 and column 0 with the help of this the LCD dot set cursor function. Then display the message on the LCD as a in degrees C is equal to, with the help of this the LCD dot print function. Then LCD dot print the temperature in the degree Celsius, and here we use the delay of 1000. So this is about the interfacing of LM35 with Atmega 328P. Thank you.